Hey Lovies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Fabie and you are on NaturallyFabie. If you're new, I would like you to take a second and hit the big red subscribe button below. Also the little notification bell right next to it so you can get a notification when I post a new video. So today I want to share with you guys a new spritz that I have been using for about a little bit over a month, and it's done great for my hair. It's fenugreek water, and it's really easy. Fenugreek seed is very beneficial for your scalp because it's nourishing, it's moisturizing, it helps with fight against dandruff, it helps fight against premature graying, and it also fights against hair loss. So all of those are awesome things for you. So I will show you guys how to make it. What you'll need is 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed and 2 cups of cool water. Now you're going to pour the fenugreek seed in a bowl, followed by the water. You're going to give it a good stir, make sure that everything is submerged and mixed well. Then you're going to let it sit in that bowl for 12 hours, then drain and pour it in a spray bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please leave a comment in the section below and let me know if you used it and what were the results. I love hearing from you guys. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.